Kingdom of Tea.
22 October 2008 at the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. The mission gave a major boost to Indian space program as Indian scientists research and develop the country's indigenous technology in order to explore the moon. According to the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA), the word Chandrayaan has been taken from ancient Sanskrit, which means moon. The spacecraft satellite was based on an Indian meteorological satellite called Kalpana satellite. Chandrayaan 1 operation were originally planned to last 2 years, but the controllers permanently lost communication with the spacecraft on 28 August 2009. Though the Indian Space Research Organization soon launched Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 1 successor to discover the missing facts about the moon. A level review of the spacecraft conducted 29 January 2009 by scientists from India, Europe and the US. It reached the moon on 8 November 2008. The spacecraft released its moon on impact through 14 November, which crashed as planned as per the mission coordinates into the moon on the same day. On 25 March 2009, Chandrayaan beamed back its first image of the Earth, which included Asia, part of Africa and Australia, with India space in the center. The size of the vehicular mission Chandrayaan was equal that of a refrigerator with a dry weight of about 525 kilograms. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Manager Ma'am, teachers, principal, and all parents and all my dear friends. I am Hriday Pratap Singh. I am studying class 9th, and now I am going to tell you about Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 2 is meant to study water ice on the South Polar region, and Chandrayaan 2 is India's second lunar mission developed by ISRO after Chandrayaan 1. The mission was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh on 22 July 2019 at 2:43 p.m. IST on the moon by a geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle Mark 3rd. Chandrayaan 2 is meant to study the water ice on the South Polar region and the thickness of the lunar regolith on the surface of the moon. It consists of lunar orbiter and also include the Vikram lander and Pragyan lunar, overall of which were developed in India. And the orbiter placed in its intended orbit around the moon will enrich our understanding of the moon's evolution and mapping of the minerals and water molecules in South Polar region and thickness of lunar regolith. And moon provides the best linkage to the Earth early history. It offers an undisturbed historical record and monument of the Earth. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected Management Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear parents. My name is Anshul Agnihotri. I am going to tell you about Mars Orbiter Mission. The Mars Orbiter Mission MOM, also called Mangalyaan, is India's first interplanetary mission to the planet Mars. India became the first country in the world to insert in a spacecraft into the Martian orbit in its very first attempt orbiting Mars since 2017. Mars Orbiter spacecraft, India's first interplanetary probe, was launched by PSLV C-25 on November 5, 2013 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, became the fourth space agency to reach Mars after Roscosmos, NASA and ESA. The project was approved by the Government of India on 3 August 2012 and cost 450 crore rupees. The mission successfully completed in 1000 days and the satellite has carried a compact science experiment instrument totaling a mass 15 kg to study Martian surface, atmosphere and mineralogical. Look for the presence of methane, the indicator of life there. The primary objective of the mission is to develop technologies required and designing management operations of interplanetary mission. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Manager, ma'am, principal, teachers, and all my parents. My name is Mohammad Shoaib, and I am going to tell you about Lucy. American Space Agency NASA launched the first of its kind mission on October 16, 2021 to study the Trojan asteroid of Jupiter. It has been packed inside a special type of cargo capsule which was lifted off from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Lucy spacecraft carried by the Atlas V rocket from United Launch Alliance ULA, which is a joint venture of Boeing Company and Lockheed Martin Corp. Now the question is, what are Trojans? Trojans are a small celestial body or asteroid sharing the orbit of larger one. They remain in a stable orbit or behind the main body. Trojans are a type of co-orbital object. In Trojan, a star and a planet around a common barycenter. Barycenter is close to the center of the star as it is much more massive as compared to the orbiting of planet. Most of known Trojans are in our solar system sharing the orbit of Jupiter. They are in very small region of space but are physically different from one another, as if now 7,000 Trojans are known. About Lucy. Lucy is the first space mission on October 16, 2021 to study the Trojan asteroid of Jupiter. Trojans are a small body that are remnant of our earlier solar system. They orbit the sun is two loose groups. One group is leading ahead of Jupiter in its orbit, the other trailing behind. During 12 years, primary mission Lucy will explore a record-breaking number of asteroids, flying by one main belt asteroid and 7 Trojans. No other space mission in history has been launched to as many different destinations in independent orbit around the sun. That maneuver will accelerate and direct Lucy's trajectory beyond the orbit of Mars. The spacecraft will swing back to the Earth for another gravity assist in 2024, which will propel Lucy toward the Donald Johnson asteroid located within the solar system main belt in 2025. Thank you.